This is the wrapping paper, and the presents are under here. And for every order over $50 that we ship from the studio, we're putting in a little present. When you order over $100, we put in 2 presents, and when you order over $200, we put in 3 presents. And the presents are a mixture of things. We've got some great little gifts. We've worked with some local suppliers, so I'm just gonna go in and check on Mary. That's the wrapping paper. It's called Buffalo Plaid. It's very Canadian, that red and black wrapping paper. Mary, how are the presents going?
Good.
Whose order are you wrapping now? You can't tell us.
Her name is Tracy.
Oh, we're sending Tracy's order. Are you going to put this in Tracy's?
I've got
you
some in there already.
Tracy's. There might be something in here. So this is like the presents. They're all wrapped up. I know what this is. I know what that is. Do you know what that is?
I'm not sure what they are.
They're sweet little gifts because we worked with a couple of local suppliers, had them made. And so packing presents is on until December 31st. And after that, we're not packing presents.
No more presents.
No more presents. We're just packing. But we will keep packing orders as long as you keep ordering. We are thankful. Mary has worked 3 days this week, haven't you, Mary?
2.5, maybe 3. I don't
2.5, 3.
More than normal.
More than normal. and we're keeping up. We're not too far behind. So we're doing really good. We're not even behind, really. We're right on target.
Doing well.
We're doing well. So keep ordering. We'll keep packing. And right now, I think Igor's works with us, and he's going to come upstairs and wrap. So packing presents is on.
All right.
So
Order.
See ya. HookingRugs.com.